Hi, Michael James here. Time for another one of my Scrum certification questions answered in depth. So somebody else on my Facebook group has posted a question that they want help with. They're taking the PSM II exam. So I'm going to have a look at these questions and answer them. Now, I've just done the first question on my other videos. Let's have a look at the second question here now. So on the second question, and by the way, these questions come from some free mock test tool. I don't know where they're from, but it's useful to go through these questions and answer them. Right. Question 2, which of the following would you most consider unethical behavior in software development using Scrum? Again, choose the 2 best answers. So that means there might be some answers in here that are correct, but they're not necessarily the best answers. We want 2, which 2 are the best? A development team mid-sprint refusing to add work to the sprint backlog. B, a product owner not ordering the product backlog by highest value of priority or priority. C, a Scrum team committing to a deadline when many unknown exists. Sorry, I'll read that again. A Scrum team committing to a deadline when many unknowns exist. Or D, a Scrum team using Kanban to visualize the cycle time of their work and impose work in progress limits. And E, a development team releasing software that potentially exposes customer data because the product owner and stakeholders estimate the organizational risk of not releasing to be far greater. So I'm going to answer this question in the next video to give you an opportunity to put the answers that you think in the comments of this video. So go to the comments, put down what you think and why. And what I will do is I will put a card up here, I think, there or there. I think it's there. And I put a link in the description of this video where you can find the answer video. So jump to the answer video after you've left your answers in the comments of this video, and we'll go and answer this question together in the next video. I will see you over there.